So, Colin, what are you doing? You're a skier. You're carrying your skis, and you're just about to take the lift or the elevator to the mountain top. You okay? Does that make sense?
I'm carrying my skis.
Carrying your skis. You have to mime that, I think.
Okay.
That's it.
Meow.
Okay, that's in there. That's it. Well done. Oh.